Within Martus tools, a user's access to certain GL accounts for reporting and budgeting can be managed by the user's dimension limitations. Martus tools also offers several additional ways in which you can limit access to certain accounts using these three account characteristics: restricted, excluded, and limited drill down. This video will explain how these account characteristics can be used to control user access, along with related user permissions. Admin users can access accounts regardless of how these characteristics are set. For non-admin users, the permissions View Restricted, Excluded, and Limited Drill Down determine access to accounts with these settings on the dashboard reports and in budgets. First, let's look at restricted accounts. The restricted setting is useful for keeping some accounts confidential. It's often used for payroll-related expenses. Additionally, this setting can be used to allow admin users to distribute budgeted expenses to specific worksheets without allowing even privileged non-admin users to change those values. Marking an account as restricted hides it on dashboard reports, the planner summary, and budget worksheets for non-admin users without the View Restricted Accounts permission. Even with that permission, a non-admin user can see but cannot make any changes to amounts on budget worksheets. Now let's look at excluded accounts. Excluded accounts are not shown on dashboard reports or the planner summary. Admin users and users with a View Excluded Data permission can use a checkbox on the dashboard reports and the planner summary to choose to include data for excluded accounts whenever they wish to do so. For those users who do not have the permission to view excluded data, excluded accounts are never shown on budget worksheets. However, excluded accounts are shown on budget worksheets for admin users and those with the View Excluded Data permission. This setting is often used for depreciation, amortization, and contra accounts that are used for budgeting balance sheet accounts. Finally, there's the limited drill down setting. Limited drill down is similar to the restricted setting, but it's not quite so restrictive. It allows users without the View Limited Drill Down permission to see account totals but not drill into the accounting system to see details. It can also be used to distribute predetermined budget expenses to certain budget worksheets, since they can see but not change amounts on budget worksheets. Admins and privileged users can see transaction details and changed budgeted amounts for limited drill down accounts. This video has reviewed the implications of managing user access to accounting data and budgets within Martus tools by using the account characteristics restricted, excluded, and limited drill down.